So I just want to talk about right now this man right here. Yep, him, Damian. We've had a couple of crazy months. This all started when I reached out to him and wanted to be trained. Well, guess what? I got trained. And now he's going to be having hip replacement surgery, and you know, it's just going to be a little different for a while. We're not going to be coming to the gym as much. He's going to need to get better, and which he's going to. It's just going to take a little time, but through it all, I haven't ever met someone that has been more determined, caring, loving, just a great soul. Just, he is an amazing person. He's an amazing trainer. He's a great father, and he's my best friend.
Along the curb outside for a few coins in the street. Couldn't come up with enough money to buy a soda. As I frantically paced, hoping to come up with another penny, I found an empty can on the ground. I quickly grabbed it, returned to my room at the motel. I told April my stomach was still upset from the party, and then went into the bathroom. I made my soda can pipe on the floor and faked a couple of groans.
Okay, it's important to get some motion in it, okay? Because the ball and socket's great. The big thing is that it has memory, okay? Meaning it'll stretch, but it's going to take some time.
We have our cardio. I'm gonna walk this block and back. Right? She's gonna help me.
Yep, except there's cracks.
Yeah. Oh my god, why do I look like a bitch?
Yeah. Look at Daddy go. It's nice out. We had to get outside. He's doing extremely well, which is a good thing. Very, very good. He's listening to some points. Ooh, almost just done busted my ass. Yep. You ready? Lift your goals up. At Damian Bailey Fitness. Oh, it's a fake spider. No, he hates spiders. Look at that big thing. Oh my god. What?
Leave it there.
Oh no, I'm not bringing it with. There he goes. Going back. Goes to show you, never give up. You could do anything you want. Just gotta put your mind to it. Yeah, sorry. I look like
Never.
it's okay.
It's a nice day though.
Yeah. Well, it's only the morning, so it's probably gonna get a little bit warmer.
Yeah. So we'll do this again. Probably 3 times
Yeah.
today.
Maybe later we could do boxing with the boys.
Now how am I gonna do that?
I'm here.
Maybe. Or tomorrow.
Look at this one. Look at the neighbor out.
Yeah.
All right, say bye.
I got 3 more steps. Bye.
No, bye. See you later.
See you later. Conquer and inspire. Yep. She's Darian. I'm looking like Debo. That was tucked in. Go. 9, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hammer curl it.